Stand up right here. Stand up, Cece. Stand up, Cece. Are you going to get Lindley? Are you going to get her? Oh, yay!
Come on.
Good job. Okay, Ellie, you try and see if she'll stand up and walk to you. Well, stand up, Cece.
No, she only likes me.
Yay! Oh, try again. Let her get her balance.
Get my flannel.
Let her stand up. There you go. Now see if she'll walk.
I go and get my
Yay!
Okay, let me. This time I want her to follow me.
Okay, see if she can do it. Come here, Cece.
What's your hair?
Are you gonna do it, Cece?
Walk with me.
That was a good job. You encouraged her. Good job. Yay!
Now it's time to watch the LL.